So today I'm going to show you my Rapala pole holder setup. It's just two pieces, and I'll show you what my poles currently look like. Big fat mess. Well, I got these on Amazon, and I had them at my old house. I'm going to redo them in my new house, and I'm going to show you how I do them and how it makes a bad situation look way better. So this is going to be the lower part. The poles will seat right here. And then this will go in the middle of the wall to hold the rod, and they have these spring-loaded things in here. You just slip it in, and it will hold it all together. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Will look like that, sitting down on the wall, and you got two little screws there, screw there, screw there, two there, and well, it goes like this. And that's how you set it up. Okay, so I got one of my regular rods, one of my favorite ones, so I want to make sure that this is set up especially perfect for this one. So put that in the holder, plug this into like a middle ground. Actually, I have some smaller poles. I want to make sure they're supported, so I'll go with this one. And so here, this one I will use a level for this one, because this one's in the middle of the wall. You can see it more often, so I'll make sure this one's level. But first I'll get the first screw in here. That's it. Now I'll plug in all my poles and see how it looks. Okay, the finished product. Much better. I don't know, 10 minutes of work. Nice clean in the corner. Easy access, you know what you got. Hey guys. And this part, I actually have this really long pole right here for ocean fishing. And the roof isn't tall enough to keep that all in one piece, so I actually have it in two pieces, and that still fits in the slot. It's not perfect, but it's holding it tight still. But for these guys, it's perfect. If you want one of these Rapala pole holders, there's a link in the description.